Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you three major stories shaping South Sudan political and security situations. These stories are not just headlines, they affect people, election, border, and the future of the country. We have three very important. First, we will talk about UN evacuation failure in Nasser and testimony against Dr. Machar. Second, we will talk about Dr. Machar allies reject President Kiir 2026 election plan. And finally, we will talk about the Information Minister retract Panakuach statement. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Our first story, UN evacuation failure in Nasser and testimony against Dr. Machar. Our first story comes from Juba, where a serious testimony was presented in a special court. A senior military officer told the court that the United Nations asked Dr. Riek Machar to send his wife, Angelina Atein, to Nasser as a guarantee for safe evacuation of stranded soldiers. According to the witness, Dr. Riek Machar refused and instead he sent two officials from his political group. So who gave the testimony? The testimony was given by Brigadier General Santino Akota Abiem. Santino, or Brigadier General Santino Akota Abiem, stated that a senior officer in the South Sudan People Defense Forces is a member of the Joint Verification and Monitoring Mechanism. He is also a man directly involved in the evacuation process. He spoke during the 30th court session in Juba. He said what was happening in Nasser. In early March 2025, heavy fighting broke out in Nasser. Government soldiers were trapped after clashes with a local army group known as the Norway Army. Among the trapped soldiers was their commander, Major General David Majudak. The situation was dangerous. The soldiers could not leave by road. Air evacuation was the only option. The United Nations sent two helicopters to rescue the soldier. First attempt, March 4, 2025. Second attempt, March 5, 2025. But both missions failed. The helicopter came under heavy gunfire before any evacuation could happen. No soldiers were rescued that day. Assurance from Dr. Riek Machar. On March 6, the UN tried again. This time, they say they received security assurance from Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president. The helicopter flew from Malakal to Nasser. Only 6 soldiers were evacuated during this mission. 1 UN crew member was killed, 2 pilots were seriously injured. The mission was forced to stop. Reason given for the gunfire. According to Brigadier General Akot, Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president, told the United Nations that the helicopters were attacked because the soldiers tried to board with their weapons. This explanation raised many questions in court. ICRC also refused the mission. The International Committee of the Red Cross also tried to assist. They provided one helicopter that could carry only sick people. But after landing in Malakal, they cancelled the mission. Why? Because they say there was no local safety guarantee. The situation on the ground was too dangerous. The helicopter returned to Juba without rescuing anyone. UN requests involving Angelina Teng. The most sensitive part of the testimony was this. The United Nations reportedly asked Dr. Machar to send Angelina Teng to Nasser as a symbol of trust and safety. The belief was that if his wife was present, the evacuation would not be attacked. Dr. Machar refused this request. Dr. Machar, age 72, is facing serious charges including murder, treason, crimes against humanity. The charges relate to the Nasser incident where more than 250 soldiers died. A UN helicopter crew member was killed. The court session was adjourned to December 15, when the defense team will cross-examine the witness. Machar allies reject President Kiir 2026 election planned. Our second story focuses on politics and elections. South Sudan main opposition group has rejected the government plan to hold election in December 2026. What did the presidency decide? President Salva Kiir Mayardit shared a high-level meeting with the country vice president. The meeting decided that election must go ahead in 2026. No more extension of the transitional period. Key reform can happen after election. Some opposition figures attended, but not all. Why has SPLMIO rejected the meeting? The SPLMIO faction loyal to Dr. Machar say the meeting was illegal and unfair. Their reasons: Dr. Machar was not invited. He is under house arrest. He is on trial. No senior SPLMIO leader were present. They say decisions made without them are not binding. Statement from SPLMIO. The statement was signed by Joseph Malwaldong, the SPLMIO focal point in Juba. The group say the peace agreement cannot be changed. All major parties must agree. Excluding SPLMIO is a violation. They accuse the government of trying to destroy the peace deal slowly. High-level committee dispute. SPLMIO also complained that the Peace Implementation Committee was reshuffled. Their members were removed. They now have no representation. They say this happened after Dr. Machar, the first vice president, was arrested. Unfinished peace talk. Peace task. Many important tasks remain incomplete. Unifying the army, writing a permanent constitution, conducting a population census, returning refugees, reforming institutions. Without these, many fear election will not be credible. Information Minister retract Panakuach statement. Our final story involved territorial tension. The Minister of Information, Ateny Wegateny, made a statement that caused public anger. What did he say? During a media briefing, the minister said Panakuach was part of Unity State. This statement was wrong. Panakuach belonged to the Ruwing administrative area. Reaction from Ruwing authorities. Ruwing officials reacted strongly. They say the statement could cause violence. Territorial disputes already exist. People have been killed over this claim. They demanded an immediate correction. Why the issue is sensitive? Ruwing leader explained that cross-border cattle raid happen often. Civilians have been killed. Refugees are arriving from Sudan. The area is already under pressure. Any wrong statement could worsen tension. Government reaction. Less than 24 hours later, the minister issued a correction. They admitted the statement was an unintentional mistake, not official government policy. Media houses were advised to correct their report. Current situation. For now, tension have reduced. Panakuach is officially recognized as Ruwing territory, but trust remains fragile. These three stories show us one thing. South Sudan is still struggling with trust, inclusion, and peace. From Nasser to election to border, every issue is connected. Leaders must act carefully where the decision matter. This Changfied bring you new news with clarity and truth. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe. Biaka mal kwasama bana raiketin konte lat karodian katong naat. Me jiram jirit gwasama ka no ka Changfied YouTube channel go rejano jin subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwany komite mi chibere gwasama be chwa mala chibe kaji ka doba dan dong dere link jam ban lere kon lat karodian bana keling gwasama bana jawon yam ban jelen gwasama ka Changfied YouTube channel gwasama lere nyam man banaling rajan chalat ka kwilok en chaluk ne Dr. Machar ajen bana kweno ka jen lera mene ka jo chalat gwasem wa Dr. Machar chelo gono ne bishek de na Angelina ten ba were we ka Nasser gwase dane shukor chatokten ka jen paidok ronkin dangro jan dangro di jame ka jo chalat gwasem gwase dane latke evacuation ten akume dun South Sudan kan ji UN wasini military officer cha jawlatre which ka juban gonene anoji United Nations chicken Dr. Machar chicken te ko de check de Angelina ten der we ka Nasser ko de ne te konte chega kare torbieli la de ne wona ka majurda ka da ko no according ka jawadan chalat ramdan lanen ki eyewitness jane Dr. Machar che lokono Angelina ten bo were we ka Nasser ajane and when Monaco she Dr. Machar look you Dr. Machar cho jangne two official key official dangro ko kuma spele aiwo jagu je kenen wona me ekene she cho ngum look Dr. Machar je en go Angelina ten bo were we ka Nasser ka be native content she gagre torbieli bakono testimony na me ki jom shit kan me lade Brigadier General Santino Akoda BM Santino Akoda BM jene senior officer ka South Sudan People Defense Force dej medit ajen bole la members ke ramkel ka bon joint verification and monitoring la city sam ramkel ten and udamene jen boni ramkel machine ball ka taye dan latke evacuation gaja nete konte kana Nasser kananga ka Juba ngu mi to ka Juba melet nong ti diality kenyam ka cha ka jen paidok ronkin daro jandang ro de diech jote kor mi jidid mi kore dide dana che to kam norway army kana SSPDF ngwasa me chwa de nyukume chwa korot pin gwaskele norway army gwal mi chwala no chaka nang ne de ku dangro de jandang diech ka chwa korean ni Gerald David Maju dak chwa janaga ngwasa mo General Majuda kwa jelo na ka kor ke mejen wacha trap ke chaja ngakre torbiel Kennedy ni katiko kien ajene chai gurno ba jew kan re wikanasir banan ko juba ko jen chaja ber meche na roi kenyam chaja on ji unimis helicopter mission ken chikan on kareu no de ka reske do kanalas menyam wa first attempt a chanka ngwan ka paidiok shu unimis helicopter shu we kanasir ko be dini tato be ka wunong tele mi chika na lat ke kuma Dr. Machar ngwa da mo chang ngwan ka paidiok shu gaben man mo cha ga dwai de shu ka ro dierit anyok second attempt a changa die ka paidiok mi shu ga benone shu ka nyur kan wan mo shu kor nyo twok shu chwa General Maju dak chwa na ngwazamo ka chwa ne ten konten wana matila dini chwa yu nak ten ba ka chwa ram kel ka UN la rescue team ko la airplane crew wa chwa jam mu ka bod bon gwad man no na me chanka diesha ka pai dok but from there no tele evacuation me to agwa katam cha next sorry for this second attempt March 5 no gwad mu chi benere nyal kaden chu de nyur try do de chu naru de rit no ka chanka bakal ka pai dok mone chu ada kuma cha chu jo kan kan je ku me no right ni kan te kon ta ka ground kan nasir and go kan nok GUN o bi ka nyur ba de nen kon ten wana mo ka kweren kel ba na rai wi ke juba Dr. Machar chu kulu nyok mura ja kana ka chu ne ga chu jogo no wi arwa ja kanwer wa army ano ka chang bakal ka pa de ko mo chu re nyal chu kulu we wede jire nyal che nyuro ko chi Dr. Machar roi kana no telerek teramba mo ka bot wen mo chu re nyal chu chop ne chop re nyal chu na tinterede chu na chu na lo ka ba re nyal chu koro re nyok mutu ko rode chu adin chu na ngwa mo ne din jwa na ka chwa Gerald David Majur da chwa yu na ngwaza mo ka chwa UN crew members chwa na bongwaza mo ne ke two pilot cha mu ka bot la gire nyal tin kon la te kare nyal so kene re jan chang mo shure yu to ga chang bakal ka pai de ko ke naro yandang ro de an gwada mo ne chwa mission chwa yu kap chong ano me cha mission cha kap chong chu yu len wo bi chu kum kir ya di chu jang ne meti dit na ga ne content ka na ser tela nuere na ga gat no kan ne dit bugo ke chemically terampele and when mo chu re mo chu to according to Brigadier General Akot jen Dr. Machar charo ke ji wen no ne jene helicopter charge barco jen ni shideni jon no de ko re nyal ka meken ka charge gor nwer waya min de ka me de kan kanang re nyal e kan shi Dr. Machar jo mo cha jalat e jen ta da nan to kor ka je ko de ni chicken welo de ko re nyal de ko re nyal ka meken cha yulad no chi nwer waya mi chicken look e jen bar ka re nyal ka jemo e shi Dr. Machar lat jen Ramadan la nen Brigadier General Akot jen ta ran che Dr. Machar che go inga je ICRC ke International Committee of the Red Cross chicken on no de kan evacuation ne de na lo ka re nyalien wa chicken one helicopter chicken provide a lo she una ka malakal ko der we kan nasir no re nyala mala ne dang bakala ka be kare de ka kor me che chup ka malakal wa chu kan ben cancel kene tele guarantee ko en nasir gwade dan ngoda le de long ke kor le de long cha lo ka kan wo kan risk wo kan lat no kene tele no local safety guarantee and mishire nyal me chu cha bu dwai de chu kan lok shukan helicopter yen mo shukan lo ke juba tele rescue michigan lat ke tara michigan nan ka jide na me kel andwalien an gwad mo wachi ji yu an ti kare kwesu nyom let kenen wo gor kana anjilina tenye no jaram danan dera we en minimi no United Nation you can Dr. Machar ken te no jangna anjilina ten jangni ka nasir no ko dong ba jo nget ke ba jo no neten content la ji which no ke local community ten nyen kana no ken nget ken no anjilina ten me ram mo mishe ne no dong the evacuation de lat peacefully telecorm network but ci dakar ma cha che logo no which de so na me mi chora la che mangai kona no dakar ma char go engaje ke kui din to ku dangro jandang di te chanak kweren kel no re wi kana ser no jen e wai ko je area mo jen ko control wa jen te ke tetten jo me michalat kanetin kontin de kel ke kirmi yadit no bana we ka la radian mu kolli dagma charge kwarere which ke jubate ka michalat ke kwidien dagma char jen cha dol cha jadol kirmi yadit kana bonten ko ken ke kwin kware ronkin dangro jandangro do bakel la 2026 election plan chajalat bate kanetin kontin met kel ke dagma char no la South Sudan menya position espele mayo chi kana rejak and government plan ke plan ana shalat kuma kirmi yadit and go the 2026 election de jalat ka gwasen be so man cha decide gwasem president Salva Kiir yadit jen che meeting high level meeting jaja chol kana ne diala ko de la vice president ni etela dakra ma chaten and meeting amo right ka kwiko de 2026 election de lat kaje ka jaron kin dara jandang bakel de kuin kwade jalat chigala no tel mu goro ba nyom yot ka jen yalen michel ka transitional period kan badi lanaje ki jen kuin kwar bala de ten do dien mu balat chab nyom ko aje extend ta wonyam anyok kanena na kan some key reform te cha guj no de la let kene ba ga lo guj gwada teniam jenta dan chiken lat ke jam but mishre me che te kene te la some opposition figures chigi chopre dul kana mane tanat ken ka we special kwara dit ka kuma spela yo tele kwara che we spela mayo faction me right dak Machar ikala do ne en ta dana dul ke je kene legal ke kene unfair kene tele pere kene reason nyam dan je ka high level meeting me ke je dak Machar kan invite kan lat gwad dan dong der decision der je kulo mektin anyok dak Machar ja duel yen ka anyok dak Machar jen ngura lokaje anyok gwad me je tele senior SPLM leader miten wana mane kanyok banan gwaze dan lat ke jen wo ba tidial ba kalat dak Machar kanne ka kan ken vol ko gwaze dan me chi kirmi yadi me che ngaje no che dak Machar che yen me cha lat ken yam shogor no be jen transitional government mo be ne diale ten ba ka gar ken dial ka sho kuma spele ayo cho joj kelio so ko joma chala da Joseph Malwal Dong Ramadan kulela kuar ki Ramadan kuraja mela lat nonon jen peace agreement charge de men germe dog bara medan la party signatories ke peace signatories abaja banjor ke Ramadan len la the main jen guta cha major party cha banjor ke jom nyod jen wo tele mishale mala nyok including spele my jen violation ke peace agreement edan e cha ta ko tele dol me de Dr. Machar de ja banjor ke je rate diality ni Dr. Machar is the main peace signatory ajena high level committee me tetu ngwante beten no Kenya man cha de lat ke je peace implementation committee was reshuffled ne diale konde te ka peace implementation cha ka nyok mu gara ka ndiala kir ka cha members ka spele mai wo cha ga joy kan dial anta right now ka kan high level committee mo and kuma spele mai wo teleka representative ten anona so ko kuje mone Dr. Machar ne gwada da na chaje yen char dial cha ka gar so na mo nyod je no en mala da latke ajena tele mala benong ta jaka Dr. Machar ko betere te jena benong ni rek tangwan chi go right ke important task ke let bom te ngot kana tu kala incomplete task te kana tuk men am kene unifying the army ngode madine ngode jor anyoko kene writing a permanent constitution gwar bongone ngoda bakana tuk anyoko kene conducting a population census queen not la pegnat population census ko ba ko ngaje no pegnat ninde kana kolat nyoko jenene returning refugees bangwoda kane ko refugees tinti win to goal Uganda Kenya Ethiopia kana IDP tindire wika South Sudan ngode kan gana kamrar ba mal ba je kula latde jen without this jene election balat chabia credible ba la election me mometel fair kan fair ka betike rigging medit jen tele me lorode ka mendana chalat gwasme kerman chalat gwasme ne ka ku inquiry e kan she talk chabdil go ahead ka ku tele credible fairness meditin Jordan Gwasame wude shalka me information minister retract Panakuach statement wude shalka me atenweka take a statement michalad ne ka gwase dan machine wan public anger chaja cause ke chaja slwa chaja non ke gak re wika South Sudan gwan mi mako briefing ledeja ka media na dial minister Panakuach said minister say Panakuach was part of United State alane rekonte la ministry kene Panakuach pa yama mo kene jane a part of United State and would have many Michelle kame aten weka aten but in the state many more chatene the Sherlock awa Panakuach wajan a part of Ruwing administrative area no Micharajo ke letter Michagor ke media ke video Michalat speech Michatop no gwaze dane lada menan chor lare wichin winami me rapid support force ke Sudan chikinyin and when money shotene de surrender ke de Sudan ne chop ke kido ku dang baro ti charo dien tup chameken chaga tup chaga kam kum Sudan me statement ko be magwasa me no cholaro ne na Panakuach a part of United State no more again chwalo chala no per agreement dane shatan en rajalat kamo no Panakuach United State awachi to Panakuach dungro wing administrative area so any minister michikana me ano wadere state michina problem there jo cause ko michata ni one no walangwatam one me a territorial dispute misha korecha terka chinalu ko kwide and mission monam so no be minister buraja no Panakuach dung United State awachi mo go akaje ko ne medane lat ke jena wal awajen la take issue no walung ti chalat ka okret ko la nanke la ok la ka nan ka ke la ka kwal ka kam ni ken nyok na ka civilian bo nyok bo gwa do chele te ko rob fuji ti jen ka Sudan te kare wo jamo en area pone water under pressure mi chele we lo le chi la jen no dung Unity State dong de Unity State kan we ye da ra la thok nan kan je ka jiru we gwat me ka ne dorin wana mono ngode darik daje no so shekula apologize no within less than 24 hours later your minister should ban rar to ne del you no kwa correct the minister issued a correction she admitted no statement ne dane shamak jene unintentional mistake jene shan lonaja jene nyokbo not official government policy chateka policy government bo but no mistake which are manager so che media and all the media house che advise no correct the correct your report and so na me ajena dan ensure the lot no she correct color corner lot corodian ray which ka South Sudan ka ler riti chi kon kaling ler dang diok evacuation failure in Nasser and testimony against Dr. Machar second Machar allies reject President Key 2026 election plan and third information minister retract Panakuach statement kantet konde kon kanyoga jan gwasame mi jiram jidit Changfied YouTube channel gorno jin be subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan committee ga mishi bere gwasa me ba shwa mala shube keji ko gwano de konde kona lat korodin de kon ka shwaling gwada dan en pai kala rech ngai kono no very important long no bi kon leri de lat korodin bo kon ka ling ka do dan dong de dial de ngai keje ko en we South Sudan nyen gwada dan te dial taketin so this story show the reality facing South Sudan today: security failure, political exclusion, and careless statement can all lead to conflict. Peace needs truth, inclusion, responsibility. This is Changfied, bring news in simple way for the people. Please subscribe to Changfied, like this report and share it widely. Gorno jin bi channel me bi nyane de kokien bi share kana ka bi share ba bi to bi comment no ka bi ngi mone me de ladone bi la gwas ma ko kenen kon gor kan o de ling gwana changa no de la de kalien ka tukten kon de ling ane dial ko de tanat ti cha tuk na cha de ling ka tanat de cha tuk english cha de ling jen do dan la channel la ko la lat keje mi che chu jek en channel me bi gorno bi subscribe ka bi introduce bokane de kokien bi ataka mal bananje kalera do dien andana beben. Bye bye.